In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage dates column in monday.com, date setup 2025. First, open your browser and head to monday.com. This walkthrough assumes you're using the web version, but the flow is similar in the desktop app. On the home page, look to the top right corner and choose Go to My Account. This takes you to the sign-in screen where you can enter your email and password. Or continue with your Google or Microsoft account if that's how your workspace is set up. After filling that in, click Login to proceed. Once you're on the monday.com home, take a moment to orient yourself. On the left sidebar, you'll see your workspaces. Select the workspace you want to work in, then open the specific board where you need to manage dates. If you're not sure which board to choose, pick the one that holds the items or tasks you plan to schedule. At the top of your board, you'll see the row of column headers. To add a new column, move to the far right of the headers and click the plus icon. This opens the column center with different column types. From here, choose Date. The Date column is designed for due dates, target dates, launch days, and other schedule-based milestones, and it works great with filters, automations, and views down the line. After adding the Date column, give it a clear, descriptive name. For example, due date, go live date, review date, or simply date, whatever best matches your workflow. Clear naming makes it easier for teammates to scan the board and understand what each date represents. Now you can start assigning dates to your items. Click into a cell under your new date column to open the calendar picker, then choose the appropriate date for that item. You can repeat this for each task or row in your table. If you're updating several items, work top to bottom and keep your date logic consistent, like setting review date a few days before due date if you use both. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. You can rename the column later if your process changes, and you can drag the column header left or right to position it where it's most useful, often next to status or owner. If you rely on dashboards or timeline views, consistent date entry will help your reporting stay accurate. And that's it. You've opened your account, navigated to the right workspace and board, added a date column, named it clearly, and set dates for your items, ready for better scheduling and tracking in monday.com.